Hello, welcome to West Yorkshire Engines in the big UK. It's absolutely freezing here. Right, this is probably the most important video I have ever done to show you guys something that you need to be aware of when it comes to saving money in repairs. And when I say saving money, we're not just talking about a couple of £100 here. We're talking into a few grand. Now, what I've got behind me is absolutely disgusting, and you're going to be absolutely shocked. Right, it's a 2010 plate. As we all know, Nissan changed the engine in 2010 for a completely different one. And Carlos Goshen, can't stand you. That's the one good thing that's come out of 2018 is Nissan sacked the chairman, the guy responsible for how shit these engines really are. Right, this car, we'll start it for you, has covered 53,000 miles. Okay. Look guys, 53,585. I'll just start the engine for you. Can you hear that? Look at that. Now I'll turn it off before it throws the corner off. 53,000 miles. Right, what's caused it? I'll tell you what's caused it. Faulty fuel injectors. Yeah, the injectors have been over-fueling and dumping the fuel into the oil, and that turns the oil to like water, so the oil in your engine isn't bloody oil, it's coolant, so that's why it's done the big end bearing. Now the customer were totally unaware of that fact, so now he's not just got one major issue, he's got two major issues. Right, next car I want to show you, so we'll lock that back up. Okay. Next car I want to show you guys is 2011 Nissan Pathfinder. Now thankfully guys, this Pathfinder has managed to get to 123,808 miles. And the problem with this vehicle, faulty fuel injectors. Yeah, faulty fuel injectors. But the fault with this engine is completely different. Turbo's failed on it. And what happens is, this particular one, the shaft's C-solid. Got a bit of movement, but it's absolutely busted. And again, that's because of faulty fuel injectors, dumping fuel into the engine, and then eventually, it literally just hydraulics the engine, bends the valves, and potentially breaks the cams. Trust me, I specialise in probably one of the worst engines going. It's really disgusting. What I need you to do, guys, you need to dip your oil regularly. If you notice your oil levels getting higher, you've got faulty injectors and you need to deal with it ASAP. What your oil level should be doing is slightly going down, because all turbos breathe a slight bit of oil. If you take your intercooler pipe off here and have a look inside, you'll always find a little bit of oil. Right, third car I want to show you today. This is Omar's vehicle. Omar, poor lad, hard-working lad. He come up from London from his service the car about 2 years ago. He knew he had a few issues, but I was supposed to do his injectors for him, alternator for him, airbag module for him, and get it through its MOT. Wait till you see this. This is, again, a joke. Now watch this engine, guys. Come round here. Have a look here, watch this. Omar and the A man who brought this thought it was because of a faulty alternator that the clutch pulley had seized. I've had a 19mm on the crankshaft. It's absolutely locked solid. The timing chain has snapped. So now, again, from what you think is a minor repair, is into a major repair. And it's like, poor Nissan owners, I really feel for you. So, like I said, most important, keep checking your engine. It's vitally important if you want to save money. And all I can say, guys, is I'm a bit fed up with Nissan. I feel like specialising in something else, to be honest with you. I'm just glad that they've sacked that chairman. Right, one last thing I want to show you. I've just taken delivery of some parts. Brand new conrods. This one's for the Renault M9R. That's the 2-litre Qashqai engine, guys. Now, I've done a few crankshafts on the 2-litre M9Rs, and it's a common problem with Qashqai. This one, guys, YD25. That's for the Navara, the replacement conrod for the one that's failed. And this will top it off. This will make you laugh altogether. Renault, Nissan and Mercedes-Benz. Mercedes X-Class. Brand new conrod. So do you think the videos will ever end? I don't think so. Because that Carlos Goshen is responsible for the MP300 and what they did to the engine. Because we all know he's been cutting costs for years. And this is the result of cost cutting. So I really hope the shareholders get to see this and start making some better decisions and building better engines. Because I am the one who has to explain to customers every time they break down that it's something else, something else, something else. Honestly, it's disgusting. Poor Nissan owners. Right, that's enough of my rant for today. If you need my help and assistance, please feel free to give me a call on 01484 420 930. Email westyorkshireengines@gmail.com or find us on Facebook. To all those of you that email all around the world, I do apologise if it takes me a little while to get to your email and reply to you. It's not deliberate, I'm not ignoring you. It's just that we receive that many emails and it's hard to keep up, especially as I'm a hands-on mechanic myself, because we have a very, very busy day. Right, all I can say, thanks for watching. Keep looking after your truck, keep an eye on it, and we'll try and save you some money.